Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Restart the phone by holding the power button and selecting Restart or Reboot. Wait for the device to fully power down and boot back up. If the display problem remains, boot into safe mode to check if a third-party app causes the issue. To enter safe mode, press and hold power, then tap and hold power off. Observe the screen in safe mode for consistent brightness and touch response. If the screen works there, uninstall recent apps or update them before further steps. Check settings for system updates and install any available patches immediately. Open Settings, then System, then Software Update, and follow prompts to download and install. Next, adjust display brightness, adaptive brightness, and color mode to rule out misconfiguration. Go to Settings, Display, then toggle adaptive brightness and change color profile if available. Clear cache by using storage settings or booting into recovery and choosing Wipe Cache Partition. Also update or uninstall apps that show display artifacts or graphical glitches. Inspect the screen and phone edges for visible cracks, water damage, or loose fittings carefully. Remove any screen protector and clean the glass with a soft microfiber cloth and isopropyl wipe. If the issue persists, check connectors by gently pressing around the bezels and testing for flicker or dead zones. Backup data to cloud or computer before performing a factory reset as a last software step. If hardware faults remain, seek professional repair to test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.